Are you a big fan of fast food? The question is if you will be one after learning about the effects it has on your body. Take a look. As much as we all love pizza, we have to admit that it's full of fat and cholesterol that can cause artery clogging. Five disadvantages of pizza. 1. High in calories. Consuming too many calories can contribute to weight gain and obesity. 2. Unhealthy fats. Raises cholesterol levels. 3. Excessive sodium. Increases blood pressure. 4. Lack of nutrients. Deficient in essential vitamins. 5. Unhealthy toppings, preservatives and additives. An excessive intake of sweets can lead to weight gain, blood sugar problems and an increased risk of heart disease. Bread is rather heavy on starch and can cause stomach problems. It seems like nothing can be better than a morning coffee with a freshly baked croissant, right? Wrong. It's time to replace fast food with healthy meals full of greens and vegetables. Train yourself to avoid fast food, it's a choice. Having a rough start to your day? Feeling stressed out? Nothing seems to be going your way? Here are 5 simple ways to relieve stress. 1. Take a break and listen to relaxing music. Playing calming music has a positive effect on the brain and body. It can lower blood pressure and reduce cortisol, a hormone linked to stress. 2. Call friends. Good relationships with friends and loved ones are important to any healthy person, and they're especially important when you're under a lot of stress. 3. Talk yourself through it. Just tell yourself why you're stressed out, what you can do to solve the problem, and most importantly, that everything will be okay. 4. Eat right, drink tea. When we're overwhelmed, we often forget to eat well and resort to using sugary, fatty snacks as a pick-me-up. Try to avoid sugary snacks and plan ahead. 5. Exercise and be mindful. A short walk around the office or simply skating up the street during the day can offer an immediate relief in a stressful situation. Stress is an unavoidable part of life, but now you know how to deal with it.
Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.